Hello everyone. Today we are diving deep into the custom built lookup formula. So let me show you how it's work. So I have built a custom function name get headers. So let me show you how it's work. So get headers. So there is a three argument. First of this lookup value, and the second one is the lookup range. So this is the lookup range. So let me absolute this lookup range. And third argument is the lookup header. So this is the lookup header. So let me just absolute this thing. Okay. So this is the let me just drag it down. So let me tell you how it's work. So this is the header name, this is lookup range, and this is lookup value. So this lookup value is comes from this lookup range. So I want to extract the header name of the lookup value. So this is the cookies. So this is cookies is come from the category. So it's extract the header name of category, and this value comes from the quantity. And the same as the if any value doesn't found in this lookup range, it shows the not found. So this is the custom built formula. I think this let me show you how I have implemented this in through custom built VBA function. So this is the VBA function. So function name is get header. I have given the three argument. First of the value to find as variant, data range as range, and header range as a range. I have taken as a whole range. So this is the result column. So I have dim as result column. Okay, so this is name conventions, and I have implemented. First of all, I have taken a two loop. First one is I loop, and second one is J loop. So how it's working? Let me show you. So first of all, this will take this will extract this lookup value and match from each categories. So for each for matching each cells, it will we have to take two loop. First loop for the rows and second loop for the column. So let me show you. So here these are the two loops, I loop for the rows and J loop for the columns. So I have taken I from 1 to data range, that's get from the user input dot rows dot count. We have counted the rows, and same has a range for the columns. So data range dot cells ij. So it takes first of all I and j is 1 1. So it gets cell 1 1 is equal to value to find. What's the value to find? It's our lookup value. So if it's find, then j is the column position of the column. So it's taken into the result of the column j. So if this value found, then it's give the j, the number of the j into the result column, and if found, then exit the for. So if it's found, the number goes into result column, and we have taken if else and the one another. So if not is empty result column. If it's found, then obviously it's not empty. Then we have putting the header range dot cells first. So always the header always on the first row, and we have to define the column number to the result column dot values. This will give the value dot give to the header, and else we have put the not found. I hope you understand this programming, and if you have any questions and queries, please comment below. And I have implemented this because this thing is not possible using either using VLOOKUP, index match, and we are able to implement this thing using XLOOKUP, but we have to use a lot of XLOOKUP, next layers lookup, and it will create a lot of ambiguity. So I hope you like my work. Thank you so much.